How to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone. So if you share your Instagram story with your highlights on Instagram alone, and now you want to share it with everyone on Instagram, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Instagram app. Once you open the Instagram app, click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the menu icon at the top right. Now, once you click on that, hang on and then go to who can see your content. Then choose close friends. Here, if you have any close friends selected like this, you want to unselect the close friends. And once you unselected the close friends, click on done. Alternatively, you can go to hide story and live. And here, if you have hide story and live from, here you want to disable everything here to make sure that your story is not hidden from everyone or anyone. And then after that, click on done. Now, go ahead and upload your story. Select story. Once you select the story, select the story you want to publish. Then let's say this is my story. Then here, if you click on close friends, just go ahead and press and hold the close friends button. Then you should see you no gonna have any friends selected here. Then close this and go ahead, click on next to publish your Instagram story. Then here you should see your story sharing option, close friends. So there's no need to select close friends here. Just go ahead and click on share if you want to share on Facebook or message, and then hit the send button. Then go ahead and click on share, then click on done. You should see your story will be shared on Instagram, and it will not be only shared with your close friends, rather it will be shared with everyone on Instagram. So that is basically how to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.